Ontario Vintage Tractor. If it's your first time tuning in, my name's Rick, and if you haven't gathered by the start of the video, we are taking Andrew's case back to him today. So stay tuned and come along for the ride. Here we go. Well, it happened. The case is home.
Look at the nose of that thing, eh? Holy smokes, bud.
I actually had time to paint the whole thing, bud, but there's a story behind this. So, underneath this hood, there was so much grease that there was factory Flambeau red, and I was able to get Top Shops to scan it and get the exact color.
Oh, no way. That's cool.
That's it.
That's really cool, dude.
We got you a matching size tire for the front that's not chewed by rodents.
Oh, you found one?
Yeah, I had one in my pile.
Oh, my.
But she's home, buddy.
Holy smokes, you did that and lickety split. Man, oh man.
Tires are on.
That's crazy, man. Holy smokes. Hey, look at that, the float flow don't leak no more.
No, and neither does the carburetor.
The carburetor don't leak no more?
Nope. Now come and look at your dash. Your dash has even emblems for your switches and everything.
Jesus. Oh, nice sticker.
Well, that's it. The case is home. We were able to drive it back to its spot instead of tow it this time, so we must have done something right. How do you feel?
I'm so happy.
That's it for this episode of Ontario Vintage Tractor. If you could like and subscribe down at the bottom, really appreciate it. Until next time, take care.